Can hear me? Now you can hear me for sure. Good morning, YouTube TEFS traders, VIP room traders. Welcome, team. Scott, DVG, Clifton. I hope everyone had a great week so far. It's Thursday trading, and there is still a government shutdown, and seems like the market is happy for everything. Actually, well, even like Scott Bessent just told 1 hour ago, that seems like that this shutdown, this government shutdown, might is going to really derail the GDP numbers. No one cares, guys. This is such a big FOMO market I've never seen before. As you can see, a new all-time high in pre-market, both on the SPY and on the triple Q as well. So huge green day coming again, and the bulls are completely unstoppable, in my opinion. Well, let's see if it's going to stay like that. I would say yeah, but the question for how long. So this is what we have, traders, today. Government just still in a shutdown mode. That means no economic data today, no unemployment claims. Tomorrow, no non-farm employment, no employment rate, nothing actually, or unemployment rate, sorry. So no data, and the market is happy. So let's just check what is happening here. Lots of big trades seems like AMD, LAC again, Oxy on Berkshire Hathaway, and Warren Buffett news indeed. So lots of going on, but even especially the semicons again in the focus. AVGO, AMD are the strongest, and don't forget even Tesla, which is definitely pushing towards to this 500 dollar seems like. Hi, Brian. Hi, Andy Little. Nice to see you. Steve C., good morning. And Clifton, thank you very much for posting the friend referral program of the TEFS, which is very important, traders, because if you are going to send this code to your friend who is just thinking on, join to the test trading family, then a good news for you, because you can get some great points which you can get a cash for it, or even just get into your account indeed. So if you have any friends, please just send it over with the link and you will get a very nice referral points there. All right, traders, so here we are. SPY triple Q 0.66%, very strong, and the SPY is not that strong, but still quite good, 0.33% higher. Strongest, as I mentioned you, Tesla, AVGO, AMD on my list. Coin is not bad either, and even Hood, it's still running. I can't believe this stock. Hood, UPST, Roblox again back, NVDA strong, 1.34% higher, AFRM, PLTR, MU, Meta, all of the big names are on the green side. However, Google is not that strong, and as I've seen the oil stocks, except of Oxy, of course, but Exxon, CVX down, PepsiCo, Netflix, J&J, and even JP Morgan, BAC, not that strong, but back to the green side. So let's see what are in the news. As far as I know, there are lots of records just in a day, not just like the South Korean stocks made a record, but even actually the European markets are just on the hit, just the record highs. Tech stocks rally after OpenAI's bumper share sale. And there is a breaking news on the Tesla. It's just reported 497,000 vehicle deliveries for Q3, which is up 7%. So seems like this is definitely going to be on our watch list and on the long candidates list. Hi Lee, good morning to you. Zuki, nice to see you. Yeah, AMD, Tesla, AVGO. You know what? I'm just starting my list already because I completely agree with you. This needs to be watched, especially on the long side. So Tesla, nice deliveries. Well done, Tesla. Ooh, my letter A, it's stucking. Why is it stucking? Yeah, I think my keyboard, guys, it's not really happy about the coffee, which I just pour over it, and especially because it was full of honey. So it's going to take a little while until I'm going to post my trades today, guys. Sorry. Okay, Tesla, do you have any trick how to get rid of it? Like my coffee full of honey is just poured over my keyboard, and I managed to fix most of them, but this A, the letter A, is just stucking. It's really bad, actually. Sorry for that, but this is a nightmare of a trader, right? Okay, thank you, Andy. NVIDIA, Oracle, MBIS. Yes, MBIS, I've seen it's quite strong together with Baba, BMNR, CRW, we run APLD. I completely agree with you. All of them we need to the long side. Okay, here comes even AMD, and I need to make a trick like, I don't know, like copy paste the A, letter A, because it's really stuck at the moment, unfortunately, and it doesn't want to make a, okay. It stuck and it stays like that. Okay, I need to fix it. Amir is coming at 9:20, and I I try to do something with my letter A here because it's just stuck, so it's not going to be easy to post anything here. All right, it just happened like 10 minutes ago, and I could not make a change here. So AMD is here too. After that, as we were calling the AMD, okay, and we were calling one more, which is AVGO. In my opinion, that can be a good one. AVGO. Okay, Tesla, AMD, AVGO. And we still have some runners. In the meantime, traders, among the big news, not too much. Everyone is just completely astonished by the market. Lots of FOMO traders, definitely it's a FOMO-driven market. Really, really like seems like there is nothing which can happen to stop this market, a black swan event, or just the big guys are starting unloading. I don't think so it's going to happen this week, by the way. And don't forget, until the government stays or remains shut down, this is still bullish for the market. Seems like it doesn't matter even if we are on the all-time highs. Bitcoin is just experiencing, again, witnessing a nice move. October begins, as the analyst told. Well, let's see, because on the other hand, some of the other analysts, they are saying that this is still a fragile move on the Bitcoin. We will see it, how it's going to work out there. OpenAI wrap 6.6 billion share sell at 500 billion value. Wow, that's definitely a huge move. That's why most of the AI and semicons are up. Taiwan rejects US plan for 50-50 chip production, says talks focus on tariffs. CIGL Nissan, thank you. Just use at for A. Oh, thank you, Todd. Thank you for the trick. I really need to fix it somehow. Hi, Luis. Remember we told about AMD for swing last Thursday? Yes, really. That was a good choice if you took it for swing, because AMD, I think it got some news. Hi, Tara. Nice to see you. Nitsan, just use Q instead. Okay, okay. I'm going to try something. All right. Exactly, Nitsan. Sorry, I just missed your comments. Coffee, it's very important, and I should not use it. I try to avoid it. Okay, guys, now let's just move on. Let's just see the other big movers. I must tell you, not that many on my list for today. Oxy, as I've told you, Occidental Petroleum gained around 1%. Berkshire Hathaway announced it was buying the oil company's petrochemical division, Oxychem, for nearly $10 billion in cash. However, as I told you, the most of the oil stocks are down. That's why I'm going to be a little bit careful indeed on this Oxy, and I'm just going to move it to my secondary list. Hi, Marco. Nice to see you. Davide, good morning to you. Yes, Blake, good morning to you. What do you think about ATHA and Horn swing trades? I'm just going to check it. ATHA. So far, I just copy pasted the capital A, and I can do that. ATHA, I think this is an ETF of the Ethereum, no? Maybe I'm not right. It's equity. Okay, it's not. Yes, it is. iShares Ethereum Trust. All right. Well, as the Bitcoin is pushing higher, Ethereum looks like as a reversal. It can be. I'm not sure how good it is for a swing though, because as I've told you, yes, Bitcoin is pushing higher. That's obvious. But usually, by the way, historically, October, it's a quite of a good month for the Bitcoin. And as you can see, it's just flirting with the 120K, 119 at the moment. However, on the Ethereum, I think it's a little bit on the high. So maybe just for a scalp on Honeywell, let me just check it. How does it look like? HON looks like better for a reversal, but very low volume. I want to see that first, I think, because it just got a death cross. Be careful, break, because if you want to short it under 200, I don't know, 4 and 40, okay. But for the long side, we need to see whether it's just defeating this death cross. You know, the death cross when the EMA 50 from above is just crossing the EMA 200. This is called the death cross, and this is showing some more weakness ahead. Maybe not. We will see that. But with the Honeywell at the moment, I would not do anything indeed. All right, traders, more on my watch list for today. Let's just continue with Fair Isaac. This is a 19% higher FICO. It's not my BJ $1,700 stock. If you like it, we can just push it to the secondary list. Curb line properties is higher as well, CURB, but I think we cannot trade it. So let me just check it. CURB, not you, CURB. Oh, we can. Okay. CURB, quite of a nice up move. I don't like the daily though. I don't like the daily though. It's quite ugly, like a barcoding. So because of that, I'm just going to put it on my secondary list. All right, Lithium Americas, of course, again, 4% down as Canaccord Genuity downgraded to sell from a speculative buy. So LAC, I'm going to watch it to the short side for today, whether it can just give back a bit what we have seen in the last days on incredible run on the LAC. Western Digital is here as well, nice 5% higher, adding to the 8.8% rally from the previous session. Nikkei reported that citing CEO Irving 10 that the data storage company will invest $1 billion in Japan over the next half decade. So might it can be a great long candidate. It can make a WDC as a great long candidate. It's a quite a good mover, by the way. And B is here as well. I'm just going to put it to the short side because Mitsuho just downgraded the Bloom Energy. CIGL, I'm just checking it's on. Yeah, I cannot trade it, so I cannot check it. I guess it's a lower volume stock and maybe a small cap. But listen, Amir is going to join in like 4 minutes, so I'm sure he's going to talk about it. Hi, Darren. Thank you for your list. Yes, MBIS I've seen as well, and I like it to the long side. I've told to Andy already. Tesla definitely on the delivery news, and I'm going to watch not only days, but even Circle and definitely the Bitcoin related stocks traders like Coin, BMNR, uh, CRWE. It's not Bitcoin related, but it can be a crazy mover. And as I mentioned you, the semicons are quite strong too. Baba as well, but Baba is not my favorite stock, as you know. Reddit, though, it's pulling back. I'm going to keep an eye on that. And Hood can be interesting. I'm just going to put it on my secondary list. And not just that, but even on the watch list, I've seen, as I've told you, J&J, Netflix, PepsiCo, which it's waiting for earnings, WMT, Humana, Microsoft to the short side. From these, I'm going to get Netflix to my short side, and I think my list is full at the moment. So NFLX. It's another short on my list. Traders, not too many candidates. I try to prioritize, I must tell you, because nowadays we have so many candidates, and too many candidates can be a problem as well, as you know. TRU, Luis, yes. Darren called it to the short side. We can call it to the short side. Thank you. And VIP room traders, I'm just going to wish you a beautiful green day with Scott and DVG on deck, and of course with the fantastic help of Clifton. Thank you very much, guys, and I'm going to see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Have a beautiful green day. Bye. Take care. Okay, yes, coin, I think it's going to be quite strong. I agree, Nitsan. All right, traders, I'm just going to get you Amir here. He's here. Hi, Amir. Hi, okay. How are you doing? Good. I just get you into the room. Just a sec. All right. Okay. All right, traders. I think Amir is in. You can greet the guys
Hey
and the
guys
girls.
and girls. How many girls there are here? There is Tara and Anne, correct?
We are some girls with me together.
No, you're the leader, Aggie. You're the queen, but I see the
Ah,
others. The Anne and Tara, correct? Andrew. Hey Andrew,
and we have two ends.
two ends.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay, okay. I heard
Okay,
you saying
traders.
that you don't have enough candidates. I have tons of candidates.
No,
You're a girl too. You're a girl. Eh, I will breathe Nitzan before I'm gonna answer you, so I'm not gonna answer you.
yes,
Yes,
two
two
ends.
ends.
And there is Jules as well. And Tara, of course. Andrew. Andrew is not a girl.
Okay.
But we should
So
be
there's
careful with the girls and boys, nowadays with this.
definitely,
I'm
we are
not going to get
open-minded.
into
We
this,
are
guys. I'm an old
open-minded.
chick. For me, it's chromosome X and Y, so I cannot, I cannot say anything more about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to be open-minded, and that's it.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Whether we like it, we don't like it.
Jules, oh my God, you are so funny.
No, no. I told you, we have a friend that she had a daughter that was really genius, but her mind was really fucked up because she was locked in something, and then when she did the change,
Oh,
become a beautiful, like a really guy that's doing amazing in every field. He's in
mm,
the business in like I think he's like right in Algo or something in a really good company in Wall Street. Like told me how much
oh,
he earned money. Oh,
nice.
OMG, OMG,
Mm.
really. So sometimes they need to do.
Yeah,
Um,
I completely agree with that. Just
so except the big one, the
take it easy.
Tesla, Nvidia. I'm watching. I'm gonna watch also, except the Nvidia and Tesla, INTC, of course. I'm gonna watch, of course. It's almost the same stocks, but every day it happens there. Oklo, and there are two stocks that one of them I traded yesterday, and probably none of you know them. Is FRMI and NP. Surprise! These were IPO from yesterday. Surprise! They did pretty well. Surprise! FRMI. Actually, I did a trade there.
Okay.
And usually you have to see when it's a good IPO second day. So they are in my chart. I'm watching them. And of course, I saw that also we have BBAI. Something's going. Okay, we have a lot.
Yeah,
So
again.
and and the section of Agi will take care of Hood. Hood is very strong, Agi.
Yeah, I've
So
seen it.
we're gonna be
It's amazing.
responsible. So we need to split, guys. The
Yeah,
guys from Europe gonna follow the IPOs. The guy from the US, the Tesla, Nvidia, all the US stocks. The guys from I don't know where, just gonna go between them. That's it. We need to split because there's too many, and when you have too many,
Agree.
usually we miss. So
That's a good idea, by the way, guys. Indeed,
I'm not
to
joking.
split.
When
No,
I
no,
remember
sure.
with Meir, we did some. I was joking there, but not because sometimes you have so many, and there were so many people in the room. You have to split, because I have two eyes. Maybe I'm faster, so I have three
Mm.
eyes. Agi has three eyes also. But sometimes, you need more. And I have to tell you, not all the eyes here are the best, but we can compromise.
Somehow.
So I'm joking. I'm joking. Small cap, it's the BBAI. Done. I see. I don't. I have too many. Too many big caps. So I saw in the list before that there was some small cap. The TS. What was their name? Uh, what was their name? TSHA. Yeah, there was a big move there. TSHA. So bless. So yeah. AMD, of
Okay.
course. Watch AMD.
Tesla.
AMD. MU. Yeah, no, Tesla definitely. Tesla, if it go to back to 465, definitely I want to trade it.
Yeah.
So
Looks really strong.
I have too many. I feel that I'm not really for it. I'm spreading. Yeah, I'm gonna watch the FRMI, but except that, I feel I'm all over. So we have to take a few minutes at the beginning and see what's going on because it's not a good recipe. So
It's really crazy FOMO market at the moment, in my opinion. And
yeah,
don't
this is
stop.
why we have new high, new high, new high.
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely it's a FOMO.
don't stop.
People are just jumping and Apple. You have to watch also Apple. There was some suggestion that one of the company gave her a price of 290, I think, or something like this.
Mm,
So
mm.
pay attention also to Apple.
It looks like
Basically,
the
pay
big
attention
caps.
to the screen. Yeah, guys, don't move today. At least the first hour and a half.
First hour, yeah, definitely. It's going to be
Hour
good.
and a
Hi,
half.
Matt. Good
Yeah.
morning.
If you need
Amir,
to eat.
finally, you won't believe, but finally, I got my Reddit yesterday. We shorted it under 215 and it went to 200 or 204, something like that. I was out to 10,
How
unfortunately,
did it
but
see? How
but
did it see?
finally I
Wow.
get it. I got
Beautiful.
my short on that.
215 you did?
Under 215 something, yeah,
Beautiful.
for the
Beautiful. Beautiful.
reversal to the VWAP,
Beautiful.
and then
Aggie,
we
but
had
this
this.
is this is a
Was
stock
good.
need to be on your chart every day,
Yeah,
at least, and since you
yeah,
know it, you have to trade it a lot. That's for sure, Aggie. That's
yeah.
if we know
Huge
some
move up.
stocks, it's like our kids. No, we know
Yeah,
them. We know how they behave. Sometimes bad, sometimes good, but we
yeah,
stay with them. No, so
definitely. You must.
yeah, so this is your relationship with Reddit. You see?
Yeah, and Roblox, of course.
Yeah, think that you have four kids. Two,
Yeah.
two, two unrealized and two realized.
That's a good one. I
Yeah,
like this. Yeah, I have two realized. Very much realized indeed. They're
yeah, I
just
know.
fighting, as I
You
hear.
you have boys?
I one boy, he's the older, 8,
Okay,
and
and
one
girls?
girl, she's
Yeah,
6.
the boys are
But
easier. Yeah, the girls
you
are
know
like
what? One day I just went to the school and both of them were like a little bit like sad, down. They asked what happened, and one of a bigger boy, he just started to chase Alex, my little boy, because I don't know, like boys fight. But Sophia, my little one, she just saw that and she went there and she went so hard into the big boy. She's an Amazon.
wow. She need a present. This
Oh my
attitude, she
goodness.
need a present. Yeah,
Yeah. She wanted to
definitely.
defend her brother, like,
Two
no, don't
presents.
touch him.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's good, you know. Always you
Yeah,
want to be, you know, even when they're small one on the kindergarten, definitely you want them to be the one that biting and not the one that been bite.
yeah,
Correct?
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
definitely. Okay, the other parents will say blah blah blah. Who cares? You know, you want them to defend. Yeah,
No,
to
I
be
always
the
telling them that no punching, no hitting. Only if you feel like scared and you must, like defend yourself. I'm not going to let him to or her to let it done by the other
yeah
party. You know,
yeah
it's just the same. But an actor just posted this. I just saw on the Facebook. Who was this actor? I forgot his name, but he was the same. Like definitely no aggressivity. And don't hit, don't punch, nothing. But if you need to defend yourself, you need to
yeah
defend
yeah
yourself.
yeah. I remember there was a good story with my son. There was a guy that always, you know, just annoy him, and I told him, you need once to show him what's the consequences. And I think we were there was a party in his house. There was a pool, and he annoyed him in the pool, and he was looking at me. I was looking at him.
Hmm.
We understand each other. He took that guy and actually drowned him. And the mom of that one was shouting, and she asked him, "Why you do it?" He said, "My papa told me to do it." Like,
I guess you were out in 2 minutes.
no, no, it was not
No?
out. But first, it's good that he didn't lie. Second, yeah, I told him that guy never bother him
Hmm.
again. So sometimes you
Yeah,
need,
there is the level.
yeah, there's a level. They need to know.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, from kindergarten
No.
to Wall Street, to Wall
Yes,
Street. Let's
another
go to Wall
kindergarten for FOMO traders, right?
the kindergarten, but there you can
Let's
instead
just
of
calm
bite,
down the FOMO traders.
yeah, instead of bite, you they
Yeah.
can bite your PNL,
Oh my
and that's
goodness.
for it more.
Okay.
Okay,
And the market is just pushing higher. Amazing, guys, really. Like Besant now told the Treasury Sec, that this shutdown highly likely going to push the GDP lower. And it was like, what did you do? Okay. And he told that, and market doesn't care. That's it. Good
yeah,
luck.
yeah.
So he
Jeremy,
said,
if your
guys, I will be
father will
back.
pay for your trades, definitely you can say that. If not, take responsibility. That's for sure. Okay, so let's see what's going on. If mine. There's a good volume in the IPO, FRMI. Level that I like, 37.40. I'm gonna watch it. Let me see. Tesla. Tesla. Oh, Tesla. Okay, Tesla is going exactly where I wanted. Um, 467.50 right now. I'm buying half position in Tesla. Low of the day is the low. Sorry, that's pretty fast. 467.50. I'm in. Low of the day is the stop. It's almost $1. Okay.
Sorry, I am back. Now let's see. Market is pushing. What did you trade?
I bought a half position in Tesla,
Oh,
467.50, and the stop is the low of the day. That's exactly more like the area
mm,
I wanted, and there was a big drop there. And
I see.
under
Okay.
466.50, I'm gonna be out. Okay.
Something is
The,
happening with sound hound as well, guys. Watch it.
yeah, I'm out. Okay.
Sound.
CRWV, Tesla. Okay.
AMD is pulling back too. It's good. The spine 670, guys, and the triple Q 606. A crazy market. Wow. Okay. Coin.
Tesla, I'm gonna buy it again over 468. Sorry. Oh, it's right now there.
I like AMD over, and the A again, AMD over 168.20 traders.
Okay. Okay. $2 very quick in Tesla. No, it's not $2. Why do I say $2? It's $1.60. Sorry.
24, it's my entry.
I'm watching Oklo also. Okay, low.
Nitsan,
Oh,
look at my Netflix short. You asked me why did I just leave it on short. I'm in $2,000 on 100 shares. That's why I let let it run for the short. I really like the daily chart.
well, you took
I was trading
net.
it to the short side yesterday and I left the 100 shares for the swing. I'm just closing out like, I don't know,
Oh,
60.
and somebody told me that he bought.
No, Nitin just asked me why I still have the 100 shares because we closed
Definitely,
out the
if
trade.
it's finished on the low side of the at the end of the day, why should you? If you are in the money, definitely
I really like the
should leave.
daily chart. I
Yeah.
really, really like the daily chart, must
Okay,
tell you.
Oklo is not relevant.
Guys, AMD stop loss. AMD partial around 169 and then let it run. I don't trust this market. I think I'm not alone in that. Here we are. I think it's going to run to 170 indeed. So here is AMD first partial. I'm taking 75% as usual. 169.20, 30, perfect. Oh, wow. Let it run a bit
Nvidia,
more.
guys, it's 190.30 right now.
Put my partial.
190.30.
Sorry.
My stop, no, it's fine. My stop is like 50 cents. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. I'm in,
Okay.
but you are probably not. Okay. If it's going to do some retest, 190.40, still you can actually buy it.
WDC checking. Sorry,
Man,
Jeremy, I have
you
no
have to see
time
the
for this.
daily of WDC and STX. I was watching it on the
Ooh,
weekend. It's
yeah,
amazing. It's wow. Look at
that's
Nvidia.
crazy.
Sorry, guys, it
Mm.
was very fast, but yeah. What was nice about Nvidia? It did what I thought Tesla would do.
Mm.
Okay, so it did down to the view up, and then immediately buyers came, like myself, and then you can see how it's push it up. Tesla, mm-mm. So it's almost the same trade, but the issue is that one trade was not the right side of the P&L.
Okay, so I have one partial on the AMD, stop loss on the entry traders and let it run. Coin is starting to be really strong here too. BMNR, it's very strong as well. Triple Q pulling back, but I guess this is just another bad trap on the side. Apple, though, it's... Ooh, have you seen the Apple, guys? Amir, look at Apple.
Yeah, yeah,
It's in a free fall. What the heck
yeah.
is happening here?
I don't know. They got upgrades, so maybe somebody didn't read it right. I don't
Yeah.
know. Okay, I wanted to the FRMI 34.30. It's not there yet. Around the $1 stop. This is the IPO from yesterday.
I'm going to watch coin around the 360 traders, or if it's getting back for a reversal, that would be great. AMD is still running. 168.20 is my stop loss. Okay, 168.20. I'm going to leave it to run like touching the VWAP and so on. Give the chance for that stock because it can run like crazy. UPST Roblox red. UPST, it looks
I
like
think
it's holding
UPST
lows.
used to have tons of shorts. I think
Yeah,
it's yesterday it also was down, no? Correct?
it was.
No? Yeah, yeah. It was starting up, but it's wow, UPST it's a good stocks to watch. I remember in the past, I don't know, I have to watch right now. Used to be tons of shorts. I remember year ago I was swinging it. I remember I was on a trip and I was doing only swing and UPST
Mm.
did amazing, really. Like it was last October, I think.
I see some, might
Yeah,
be not right, guys, but I see some whales unloading. I mean it. That's weird.
what do you
Whales
see?
started like institutional. It seems like this price action, which I've seen so many times in the past, it seems like the big boys started to unload.
Okay.
I've seen it so many times. Might I'm not right. Let's see, because I'm going to be right at the end of the day when we see a big red day. But now as NVIDIA started to pull down, I'm out of AMD. Apple, it's going down too. That's something interesting here. I'm going to be careful. Let's see what's going to happen next. Okay. Tesla is reversing, Amir.
Um, I have two trades didn't work. I was not full position because I
Mm.
reduced, but um, I need to see a little bit more price action. Definitely. As I see it, look, the big red bars are much more dominant. The range and everything. So yeah,
I'm going to take another Netflix short traders under 1144. Stop loss, it's over 1152. So it's just the usual, I would say. Huge stop loss. So watch out. 143.80 is going to be my entry. We were talking about these spready stocks yesterday. AVGO down.
guys, Oklo over 119. Again, it broke it a little bit. I want to see the second time it's going to break the 119 and stop going to be like 80 cents, not more than this. Okay, now. Let me. Okay, guys. Okay, now in.
Who is making a reversal too?
High of the day 119.40. I like that candle. Look at the candle. It's a big bar candle, which is good. We need the second one to continue, and then we're gonna know that we are on the right side. Yeah,
Mm.
market is tanking, but Oklo. Oh,
Yeah, as I've told you, I see
okay.
some institutionals there. I've
Okay, I don't
seen
see
it
any
so
short.
many
Okay,
times
okay, I don't see. Really, I'm starting to go.
just because of the price action. Maybe short NVIDIA decking. Yeah, or TQQQ finally. Let me just check it. Of course, Netflix is not going lower. BMNR, it's very strong, and coin, Bitcoin related stocks, guys, it's really, really strong.
Okay.
Yeah, you cannot, you know, just to shrug off all of the bad news forever. Hmm? Just a sec, guys. I will be back soon.
We need formation, DKNG, DKNG, King. We need formation, not just short in Nvidia.
Okay. So, market is tanking. That's good. Yes, the king at the moment. Yeah, I'm just waiting for an entry here. Completely agree with you. Reddit is going down again, so I keep an eye on Reddit too. And the short candle is
Wow, Oklo,
probably,
guys. Look at
sorry,
Oklo,
just checking.
guys.
Okay,
We
hello.
have $1. Okay, now $1.
Beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
120 is here, and it looks so amazing on the daily, Amir.
yeah. Yeah, I know, believe me, I know. I told you on the daily,
Really like it.
OMG. Yeah, 120 to 50. I wrote that number before. That's a W shape, like, wow. That's a cool formation. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's something you just can't ignore.
And coin broke the 360. And no guts to take it. Okay, BE is not giving up that much. All right, traders, I'm going to take TQQQ under 10520, only half share size, because we know how tricky the bulls are nowadays. It can be easily a bear trap again. Tara, I hope so. I hope that they just got exhausted now.
Maybe the Swiss bulls are coming, Tara. I don't know if all the European
The
bulls
Swiss.
or the American. Yeah, I don't know. The Swiss bulls looks to me calm, no? It's not the Spain bulls. Spain are really vicious. Okay.
That's why I'm taking only half shares. And wow, coin traders, I really hope you took this 360. And no guts, and I do regret it a lot. Bitcoin, or the coin at least, unleashed. Yeah, it can be easily, Luis, it can be easily a bad trap, and we just go back to the highs and far, far away. Just going to get it anyway if it's breaking the lows here. If it's breaking the lows, we have a chance for a 20 cents partial at least, like a quick scalp.
Are you shorting the QQQ, Aggie?
Under the lows only. Like
Are you gonna
I'm not,
short it?
yeah,
Okay,
I am
okay,
going to,
okay.
if it's going to get there.
Yeah. Because I see where it's
Coin.
standing right now. The TQQQ.
AVG is done too. Apple
One
trying
of
to
one
climb.
Above 105.60, I'm gonna take the TQQQ up. Stop gonna be really like 30 cents. Yeah, over 60, 105.60. Stop 30 cents. 30 cents? Yeah, 40 cents, sorry. Yeah, I see increasing of the volume and the risk reward is pretty good though.
Nice. Hood is starting to be stronger as well. Market in a pullback mode again. Okay, now bulls. Here is the time to show your strengths again.
Still in the TQQQ, it broke immediately, but under 10, I'm going to give it another 10 cents.
I am in TQQQ as well, just to
Oh,
the
okay.
other side.
You're in the other, you want to take me out. Okay.
I don't.
Oh, I know. Really tricky market.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. And as I've told you, I've seen it before. Okay, Netflix is in as well, traders. 114 is going to be my first partial, and the market is on a big test now. Mm. Nitsan just asked Amir, how about TSHA? I think I cannot read that.
TSH. Ah, the IP, the small
Yeah.
cap. Yeah. It look the chart looks like my understanding of the market today. Really. Yeah. No, I don't see nothing. It's on. You see that they don't know nothing. Look at this. We have a range, and it's like it caused me headache. No, no.
AMD 16610. Maybe Jim Lee, maybe. Let me just check AMD. What is my AMD?
Okay.
I
I
don't
want.
know.
I want to take a small stop. INTC under
Oh,
35.68. I think it's around 12 cents. Let me check just a second twice. 35.68. Okay. 35.68. No, it's gonna be 20 cents.
TQQQ traders 75% taking off. 105. I took 104.97, stop loss over 105.20, and let it run. Hopefully it's going to run. And here comes my Netflix first partial, 1140. Nice. Okay. 22 is going to be my stop loss on the TQQQ. I was ready for a scalp on that because I know that market can just bite back quickly on this really strong bullish sentiment. Hmm. And out. It was quick. Okay, so two scalps today, and let's see whether Netflix going to push a bit more. 1145 is going to be my final stop loss because I'm sure the bulls are not going to give up so easy. What do you think, Amir?
I don't know, Agi. I really don't know. You see by the by the trade that I have today,
Mm,
it's like something and then it changed. INTC looking good. Again, I'm waiting 20 cents, 68, 35, 68, and still watching FRMI, the IPO. Right now, the trigger is 33.10. Again, around the dollar.
mm. Yes, King, this is the big, big question for today. Long or short? QBTS checking, Rick Schroeder. Ooh, that looks like a very nice VWAP reversal. For me, it's a little bit too late for the reversal. I must tell you, like on
QBTS.
risk reward
Let me see. Yeah,
ratio
it's too late.
wise.
But let's see the other one.
Mm,
Rigetti. Let's see quickly. Same sector. Now Rigetti already at the high. IONQ. Uh, yeah, we miss IONQ by a few cents. There is the QUBT also, I think. No, that's one already broke.
mm.
Yeah.
LAC on the run again as well, by the way. Irene Tara, yeah, that's a crazy mover. Irene. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm watching it, the NTC. It broke the viewer, but the bars is still there. And the high of the bar is exactly the close from yesterday's. And I'm still watching it. Maybe I will have even better trigger as I see it right now. Maybe under 75. Still watching it. Still watching it.
How about WDC? Gave up everything actually. Okay, very nice Netflix traders. 114. Here is, as I told you, the first partial done. Stop loss over 1144.70. Hopefully it's still going to push down. Tesla is back too. However, Apple it's really trying to recover now. What do you think about a Hood short, Amir?
Hood. Short.
Ah, still looks so strong.
Hood.
Mm.
Yeah. The 141 is an area. Every time
Yeah,
it's holding it. So
I'm just watching that. In market is fighting hard to keep this bottom here. Hood looks very tempting. One 140. Yeah, I'm going to try a little hood here. Under 140.70. Good. Stop loss over 142. see. 68 is my entry. 140.68. So first partial done on the Netflix, stop loss over 114.470, and I'm in on the hood. Sorry guys, I just close the door because I cannot hear my thoughts because of my children. Just a second.
Still watching INTC. Right now my trigger is under 70. I want to finish this candle. Probably around 70, something like this. With INTC. Yeah. 35.75, 25 cents stop. INTC. Intel.
Oops, sorry guys, I was muted. So market looks like it's still not decided on the direction. It's really fighting hard here on the bottom. My hood is going into the green, but we need like at least $1.50 for the partial. NTC. See, come on. Okay. Oh, I like INTC. Amir, I'm going to join over this consolidation. Hi, it's where did you call it?
I want to do it if it's breaking 75. I'm assuming
Oh,
you want to do it above the round number.
I
That's what
see.
you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know now. I saw the big red.
Yeah,
I saw the big. I don't know. It's like if it's getting under 75, it can actually go really down. If it's breaking
yeah,
the round numbers, it can give us a trick. But I see the big
yeah.
red bars, and again,
Not obvious. Mm-hmm. I see.
I don't think obvious the 36 breaking up.
Mm.
Um,
Like a pattern looks good, and market is getting stronger again, as I see. Okay. Oh, come on, Hood. Really can't believe this stock is going up again. Okay, I'm just checking the news whether do we have anything about this shutdown, but seems like this government shutdown is going to take a little while. Trump touts shutdown as unprecedented opportunity to cut more democratic priorities. What else? Okay. Apple Loom 256. Yeah, that looks like an intraday breakout too, Nitsan. 256.20 rather. I would take it only over 256.20. And for the ones who like coin is back to the VWAP traders. My Netflix is still doing great. I'm just going to put my stop loss to the entry now and let's see. Still looks good and no major news. As you know, as the government is shut down mode, there is no economic news for today. I mean, no unemployment claims, nothing. Hmm. GOBY, Alex. I have not checked this stock for a while. BY. Okay. That can be on the VWAP too. Look at INTC, Amir. Just going. You are
Believe
in
me, I
now.
see. No, 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 no,
Ah,
no. I
okay.
don't. No, 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 no. I wanted only to short it. I don't.
Ah, okay. Come on, Netflix breakdown and I can't believe Hood still going higher. Market is shaping an ascending triangle again, but slowing down actually. I think Nvidia and Apple can decide on the coming direction. IONQ, GOBY just made the reversal. That's amazing. And the market is pushing higher too. Ooh, IONQ, it's crazy. Now let's see the RGTI and the others too.
No, they're higher, everybody.
Can't believe this RGTI too. There is no stop for these stocks. Okay. So far, no stop for the Netflix, but who doesn't look good, guys? I think this is going to be my first loser. Ah, I'm letting it go till 142.20 max. Triple Q back to 605 and the VWAP. Okay, Reddit going back. Roblox, let me just check Roblox.
I want to start short in INTC under 35.90. Half position 20 cents. High of the previous 5 minutes. So under 35.90. Half position add 35.75.
I hope back on TQQQ under 105.40 traders. NVIDIA long decking. Yeah, 190 looks good if it can break it. 38 is my entry on the TQQQ.
You're short in the market, Agi?
Pardon?
You're
Yes.
shorting them?
Yeah,
Okay.
if TQQQ breaks 105.40.
Okay.
Let's see, because I like this rejection of the SPY on the VWAP.
It
Quite
looks
strong.
right now a lot of places are between the VWAP and between the 9.
Yeah.
Like the 9 is a support. Like for example, the TQQQ, if we finish this candle right now, we can long it 105.80 with 40-cent stop.
Mm-hmm.
I'm watching it. Because of you, you see, I'm starting to watch the TQQQ.
Okay, Roblox is moving up. Ah, who doesn't look good, but I'm still holding it. And Tesla maybe is getting alive again. See?
So TQQQ, if it's going 105.80, I'm gonna long it like 40-cent stop.
It's 50-50 trade. Under 1054, it's a short. Over 1058, it's a long. Tricky market today again. Okay, Roblox is higher too. Ah, Hood, I can't believe this stock. MU. Now let's see MU. Yeah, seems like it's a bottom reversal indeed. Okay, guys, first loser of the day. Officially Hood. But Netflix is still going. 1142 now my stop loss. I just lock in some profit. Okay. PITR, it's starting to be stronger too. Okay, hello again. Maybe. But the spice back to the, I don't know, it's such a conflicting market now for me. Looks like at least.
INTC half out, the half position.
Hmm.
Ah,
Yeah, I see on the market that it's starting to be on a position that, you know what, it's just too good to be true. And some traders are starting not,
it's too good to be positive. Yeah, I
yeah,
see it from the trade.
not
Too good
believing
to be.
it.
Still waiting for TQQQ 105.80.
Still like my call on TQQQ. If you are still holding Hood, guys, good luck. It can be a reversal, and definitely Netflix looks really good. 1142.20 is my hard stop loss now on the Netflix, and seems like maybe another breakdown. Yes, Tara, it is. As you just, yeah, this is the right word for the market. It's confusing a little bit now. I'm in TQQQ traders. I want to see 105 again for a partial. Yes, it did. Question, Jeremy, whether it's going to continue. I hope so for my TQQQ again.
Jeremy spoken.
Mm. Netflix next partial 1130. Want to see a big drop now. Come on, bulls. Step aside. Deking per jam.
It's because of Jeremy. Jeremy is remind me. Yeah, Dicking.
Okay, market is still hesitating big time. My Netflix is okay. TQQQ sort of. Free Bird. It's a good song.
Freebird. Yeah. Uh, I
Market is
want to play.
starting to be slow. Yeah, go ahead.
I want to play the solo of Freebird. That it will be better. Okay. Remember in the pre-market I told you it will be tough to know what's going on. Yeah, definitely I see it.
Yeah,
Yeah. At least
you're
for me
right.
today.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
for me too. Like, market is definitely like more than extended. It's just,
I don't blame the market. I can only blame myself, Aggie.
no, I'm
Like
not blaming the market, but it's not making it
that's
easier.
our specialties. You know,
Mm,
we need to do good work every day. Yeah.
yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. I'm holding only two shorts at the moment, traders, Netflix and TQQQ. Netflix, we got two partials, no, one partial already. Stop loss over 1142. And TQQQ, which is suffering with the market because actually it is the market. So let's see what's coming next. The bulls can bite back again as so far for months, I would say.
$35. Yeah. 75. I'm still watching INTC under 90, which is right now. I'm gonna buy half position. Stop gonna be high. Previous to 5 minutes, which is 25 cents. Under 83, I'm gonna add another full size, so I'm gonna be more than my usual. I like what I see it on the 15, and I had to try it. Both of them were with half position, so I'm okay with that. Sometimes you need to. Yeah. There is a struggle there, but I think under 82, if we break and I want to see the volume, then I'm gonna be double sized though. Yeah. So I'm half position and then I'm gonna triple it. So we got to 85. So I'm not yet there with the adding. Um, what I'm gonna do with the TQQQ again over 105.80. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it, and again 40
Mm.
cent stop. That's what I'm gonna give it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out over 106, that's for sure.
Okay.
Market is really trying to push higher again.
Sell WV. Sell W.
The SPY is looking weak. But NVIDIA and Apple are charging again. All right, guys, that's an interesting market for sure. Okay, hello, it seems like a little bit stuck, Nitsan. I see you call it over 118.60 or 50. I don't know.
Nitzan, Oklo usually, can bring you to the top of the Himalaya mountain, or can, in a usual day, can take your kidney. Today, can take your heart. Really,
That's it.
really.
Game is over.
Today, with this market, it's over. When you don't have a heart, you just can't trade. So, I don't know, it's not clear. So, I don't think that you're going to get to the top of the Himalaya mountain. So, prepare different stock, really. It's not easy stock to trade. You need everything clear, market, everything, and definitely it's not.
Even AMD looks strong now. Uh-oh, my
All
TQQQ
of
in
them, it looks
danger.
good. So,
Yeah,
guys, TQQQ,
the bulls are back again.
the bulls are back in town.
Yep. Apple and NVIDIA pushing. Yeah, the king there is. I'm still holding. I'm still holding. Let's see.
Yeah, look at the market right now. We have, wow.
Tara, be on an objective phase, please. I know. Everyone is waiting for a small pullback, but so far the bulls are not giving up yet.
You're on denial. It's a good trader to be in denial. Really. Thin Lizzy. Thin Lizzy. Used to love that band. Yeah. Ah, you mentioned it because, I said the boys are back in town.
Mm-hmm.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay, market. Show me the money.
Today it's not show me your money, it's leave my money.
Leave me alive, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Not so much, but
I
I'm
want to
red.
save my
Still I'm
kidney.
red. Yeah, I'm red.
Type of
Yeah,
market.
yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Full market is really fighting. Look at that. The Apple and Nvidia are strong, so we still have chance there, guys, which is not a good news for my TQQQ. And Netflix is just going. Stop loss over 1140. I'm still in, and I lock some profit.
Agi, you know that your hood Looking good
For a long,
for a long.
I see.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy.
Not so amazed by the risk reward, but
Mm.
let's see.
Yeah, everything is slow today
Uh,
as well. Okay, come on, Netflix, a little bit more down would be great. Really wondering whether this time the bulls are going to push back everything to a new all-time high. I would say I'm not going to be surprised again.
I don't want the bulls. I don't want the bears. I want the sheep. Agi, I need the sheep. Something goes slowly so we can understand what's going on.
Oh my
Yeah, we
goodness.
need some sheeps. Yeah,
Okay.
the bears and bears are fighting today. It's really difficult to understand.
Yeah.
We need some sheeps. Yeah, Alex, I saw
Ooh,
the
ooh.
Ragetti. It's a stock that I really, really love, but what can we do? There was a good. All this quantum, did an amazing swing.
Yeah.
Um, it broke on the daily, correct? It's all-time high.
RGTI again? Hmm. Let me just check it. New high for RGTI. Can't believe this stock. Look at that.
Yeah,
Amazing. Yeah, it did. Hmm. You were right with Hood. Look at this.
yeah, but I didn't take
Just
it,
going
so who
higher.
cares? If I didn't take it, it's nothing.
Oh no. Looks like boys are pushing back again everything. Triple Q over the high. SPY might going to follow. So unfortunately, over 106, I will be out of TQQQ. Hood is amazing. I can't believe it's still pushing higher. Guys,
Yeah.
140, 20. I'm going to be out on the Netflix if it goes again higher.
Guys, I'm watching DKNG. I post you 35.48, and I'm giving it like 20 cent stop, like the daily. And there's a lot of potential. So it's pretty like 10 cents from the trigger. Still waiting for the TQQQ. I see that it did a spike, but I didn't see the bid or whatever. I don't know. 35.80. Oh, sorry, 105.80. Told you there is the two IPO from yesterday, so um, FRMI was millions of shares, so I was watching it. the stupid one, the NP was like 100, 200 when I was watching. Probably the volume came after, and definitely you can see what it did today.
Hmm. Okay, Netflix is getting close to my stop loss traders. Watch out. Actually, the right level would be 11480 because this is the level which is okay. I'm out. So Netflix is out and TQQQ still fighting. Still nice green for the day, but the market is starting to be stronger again.
Still waiting for DKNG.
You want to short DKNG?
Yeah,
Okay.
under 35.48. Yeah.
35.48. Huh? Nice. Just this market getting
Um,
stronger.
TQQQ, I'm in.
I am still in TQQQ as well. Hood. I can't believe this stock.
Oh God. Yeah, I see it.
I just cannot believe who
Yeah.
is buying
Um,
this high. Someone knows
I want to buy.
something, or I
I
don't
want to
know.
buy the FRMI over 32, which is right now. Stop $1.
Hmm.
FRMI. Here is doing a retest over 32 right now. I want to buy it. Give it a chance to go again above 32.
144.40 is Hood. Amazing.
Well, it's 2 point Aggie did, huh? From the
No,
trigger that I told you. And I didn't take it, of course.
crazy.
Yeah, not crazy. It was beautiful formation.
No, I mean,
Really.
look at the daily. This is
Yeah, I
what I'm
know.
calling crazy.
Okay, guys, FRMI is in.
Phew, this market is really trying to break out.
So right now I'm in TQQQ waiting for DKNG and FRMI. Okay. Okay, DKNG is in.
Nice breakdown.
Again, the stop is 20 cents. What a battle in the market, huh? I see it on the QQQ, huh? Unbelievable battle.
Hmm.
Unbelievable battle. Okay, we have 50 cents. That's how I'm watching this FRMI. I'm not thinking about the partial. I'm thinking about if we are breaking 33, I want to add. Okay, I like the volume here. We have some resistance around 33. High of the day is pretty high, so we have a lot of good risk reward.
Yeah.
DKNG sent in the money.
Okay. TQQQ. Phew, this market is really slow now again. This just happened yesterday too. SPY is
Yeah.
back to the lows. But SPY is definitely it was not that strong in the pre-market than the triple Q. And it is leading the weakness again. Look at that. Just ready to break. Okay. So only TQQQ on my side. I don't think so. I'm going to take any more trades because as usual, I need to run and Amir is going to stay with you until 11 or
Okay.
so. I'm just waiting for TQQQ breakdown. Sorry, Amir.
No, no, no. It's fine. DKNG.
Okay, guys, how is your day so far?
Okay, so this is, guys, I want to show you before while you're answering. This is the daily of DKNG. So we have the day of yesterday. If we break today 35, definitely we have some tons of opportunity here. So, but definitely you see every time the stop is dropping like 20 cents, it's drop immediately, bounce a little bit. So I don't see yet the capitulation. FRMI, it's okay. It's okay. Choppy, but okay. FRMI stop, I said, the $1. So it's under 31, something like this, few cents under. Yep. TQQQ is still, you can see. We have a range here. Okay, we got here, and stop is around here. Um,
Okay. I'm just starting the poll in the meantime that how is your trading day so far?
I wish I could answer you number three, Agi.
No trade? Okay.
No, I'm
What?
number two. But I said I
Ah.
wish I could put number three.
Ah, okay, okay, I see.
Agi, it's humor, Agi, humor. Yeah,
No, I don't know humor.
but I'm still optimistic. Right now,
Good.
I'm kind of a little bit above towards forex unit losses.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I had three losses on Intel, but
Oh
all
yeah.
of them I did with half position. So the total of my losses there is like one and a half. So this is why, again, even when your trades are not going as you wanted, it's a good risk management. It's not a catastrophe. It's just a red day,
Mm,
not something.
that's for sure.
And
It's part of our trader's
yeah,
lifestyle.
if FRMI will get to the high of the day and TQQQ, break the 107, you're gonna be green.
Mm,
So we need to be optimistic, realistic. You see that the
Nice.
SPY bounced every time from the close of yesterday.
Yeah,
The Q compared to the SPY is much stronger.
stronger. Much.
Definitely, you can see a higher low. You can see a triangle between. Let me put you here. I'm gonna put you instead of. Yeah, basically TQQQ is like it's the same as the QQQQ. So watch this chart.
Mm.
So you can see that we have a really nice triangle here, and we have a higher low. And look at the TQQQ compared to the SPY. Okay, SPY.
Much stronger.
Yeah, SPY is bouncing from this from the close of yesterday. Okay, so we don't. But the QQQ, I mean the Q, looks good. You have to watch it. Even when you know, uh, you're reds, but you have to be realistic. What you see, it's looking strong again. Now you need to stand upon your plan. You have a stop. You're there, and that's it. Things can happen. It's only 40 cents. We
Yeah.
can get to here. I have already immediately like two risk unit profit, whatever. So uh, the show is not over until the fat bars is singing. Okay, so we need a big fat green bar right now. Yeah, definitely. We need a
I
fat
need the
green
red,
bar.
you need the green. That's funny. Yeah,
If
my
if
my
if,
stop is
if
on
yeah,
place as well
if I'm
on
doing
the
a closure for
TQQQ.
what we discussed before market open, the fit the the fat big green bar can be a he or she or whatever, but it has to be a big fat bar, green bar.
Yeah, and
That's
actually
for sure.
SPY looks like it's a double bottom indeed. If it
I
breaks
don't
over
know.
660,
Spy is not clear, yeah.
no, no, not
But I,
really.
I, I like the Q, yeah. Q is like facing.
You're welcome, Nitsa. Okay, guys, my stop is on place over 106 on the TQQQ. I'm out of Netflix, and I'm going
Technical
just to
stuff.
leave you in good hands of Amir for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. Yeah, the technical stop is here. It
Yeah,
was here. That was our entry in DKNG. It's a technical. Where do you think I'm getting my stops from the clouds? No, 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 no. The high of this one here.
from
If
your
it's
crystal
breaking here,
ball.
yeah, I wish I had a crystal ball. I would smash it on my screen today, Aggie. So it's good that I don't have.
Don't send
Or throw
crystal
it
ball
from the window.
to Amir, please,
Yeah,
guys. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So that's the stop here, like 20 cents. And definitely the risk reward is amazing if you watch the daily. Yeah, it's there. And you can start seeing it here. But again, everything today is going, you need to fight for the price in every trade. There
Yeah.
was no trade that there was no fight, really. Every trade is,
Hmm. Strange market, but what can we expect on a FOMO move like
yeah,
that? It's just amazing, actually.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Okay, guys. So, Amir, thank you very much. Thank you very much, traders, too.
Welcome, Aggie. See you next week. You're gonna see me much more calm because tomorrow I'm going for the desert for 4 days.
Oh,
Yeah,
really? Ah,
yeah.
that's good for you. I just
We're gonna
wish.
sleep inside the desert in
Oh
a
my
tent.
goodness.
Hopefully, I'm not gonna see people. We're gonna walk a lot. Yeah.
No children, no people,
No
no
children, no
pets.
people,
Oh my goodness.
no pets.
I really
Few,
envy
only
you.
few friends, and the lovely wife, and that's it. Don't need more
Ah,
than
that's
this.
beautiful.
Hopefully, I'm gonna be calm
Enjoy.
on the next week. Yeah.
I guess so much calmer than me, that's for sure. I'm still alone with my kids for the next 2 weeks because my
Well,
husband has
I,
a building project back at home in Hungary. So, yeah,
I think you
this
like that
this
situation. You're
market
in
is not a
you're
challenge, guys. This is
you're
nothing.
you're, you're in Spain. You still have some work there, so he's get the best of both worlds. He live
Yeah,
in Spain, but he can take a vacation to Hungary.
you see?
Okay. I know.
Yeah.
I got it. I don't know if you got it, but I got it. Even from the time I remember when he went to bring the car, correct? And he left you in
Oh
Spain.
yeah, oh
I
yeah.
remember
No, he's
everything.
away for 3 weeks. That's it.
Next time, Agi, you're gonna bring the car, Agi.
That's
Okay?
it, yeah. Okay, guys. So have a beautiful rest of your day, a green one. Thank you, Amir, and see you
Thank you.
tomorrow. Amir next week, and enjoy the dessert.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
Agi.
Bye.
Alex, you're right, but you know what? I'm much more patient in trading. Yeah, in real life, yeah, definitely. Yeah, trading, different personality, really. I'm much more calm. Even though you think I'm not, believe me, I'm calm. I have much more patience. Yeah. I'm still in FRMI. Yeah, it's still holding the view up. I don't have problem. Yeah, it broke like the 31. I'm still there. If you see the bars in 5 minutes, you see it's like I'm again. You have a stop because you need a certain amount of shares, but look at what's happened here. There is like the 9 going up and you have the view up. Okay, so it broke like maybe 20 cents and it's fine. It's not that I have like 20 cents stop and now I'm doubling. I'm totally there. My stop finished the bar here in 36 seconds. My stop gonna be here 30.80. I can put in the system, 30.75, whatever. But I'm still there. DKNG looking good. Really. It's doing, but basically we're only like 25 cents in the money. What the hell is going on? I'm trying, Alex. Believe me, I'm trying. That's the purpose what we're doing here. We're still like, yeah, still okay with FRMI, DKNG looking good. Uh, TQQQ again. We have a range. I don't have nothing to do except the range. If it's breaking here, what is this? 38. I have to be out like 35, something like this. Mm-mm. Great. That's yeah. Question, guys. You bought SRPT today? That's the only steady stock. Mm, let me see SRPT. Oh, Sarepta. Why? Because of the thing that happened with the drugs manufacturer, like LLI, Pfizer. How did you find SRPT? Really nice. Really nice. How did you find it? Secondly, why didn't you share it with us? I put alert on it. Oh yeah. Wow, daily looks amazing. Psh. How could I don't see? I have to see if Sarepta is on my health stock. I didn't see the chart. Usually I'm going over the chart. Sarepta. Yeah. Thank you, Alex. I'm adding it. I'm familiar with that. And usually when the stocks with PFE and everything that happened in the US, I was going over the chart of my health stocks, but yeah, Sarepta was not there. Thank you. I added. Who gave love a bad name? Are you scalping, guys? I don't know. Um, I don't know. The king, hopefully for her, yeah. Are you doing some scalp? There are some trades that I do from time to time. They're pretty fast, and I don't think it's something that I can share it with you. Not because I don't think you can do it, but sometimes, until I'm gonna say it and I see it, but are you doing it, guys? Here's Aggie. Aggie can't leave the computer. Yeah. Aggie was on the horse today. I was under it. Yeah. So if you watch CRWV, there was a nice scalp there. Sometimes you do a quick scalp, and sometimes the scalping is like, it's almost like an ATM, you can do it fast and you get it out. And sometimes it's a good when you're in certain situation. Um, yeah, definitely she's the queen of that today, for sure. Mm-hmm. Okay, amazing. I think it's the one of the trades that were positive for me today. Again, less than what I. Wow, it can. Yeah. So we did it here, then it dropped, and then there was like above here again. Wow, it's a good volume. Wow. Yeah, now it's looking good. You know why? Let's put Oklo here. You know why it's nice, and I was talking about it earlier. We broke the. Look at this, 2250. Unbelievable trigger. Okay, beautiful, amazing. That's a trigger. Wow. To sell stock? What do you mean, Alex? What do you mean sell stock? Which stock? Oh, you have to join my mentoring. But I'm working with very strict strips. Even today, now I'm towards 4.5 losses risk. Definitely, I did more trade. Um, I'm working with like 4 scenario plus minus, and if I'm getting a certain level and I didn't take a partial, for example, I definitely reduce because stock after can do a retest. A stock also can go and fail. I don't know that, so I'm really fan of reducing, and if I need, I can add back and see the amazing trade that I have in ITC. I'd have three losses, which on the surface could be a disaster, correct? But not all the trade I started, and sometimes I can start with half position and add more. All of the trade will have position. I thought I saw something, and I don't have to, put all the risk. So when you're doing like this, definitely it help you. It's all about the risk management, Alex. All about, you see, even when it was a bad day, it was a bad day with really control. There was no catastrophe, really, like 4.5. Okay, it's been a while since I had a day like this, but it's nothing. The best green days are, triple and even more than this, and it's fine. I have to go and see why I didn't do well, but I'm not, getting something like, bad vibes or something. It's part, most of the days, I don't have a lot of red days in a month. Really, not have more. I don't think more than two or three, the most. The most. So it's not nice, but you need to face it. That's it. I'm not waiting for somebody to come and say it will be okay. It will be. It's fine. It's part of. You need to read correct. And as I was telling Aggie, every day I don't care which market, we need to take the money by scalping, by doing mean reversion, by whatever. It's my responsibility. Okay. Good question, guys. I'm done for today. Thank you very much. Uh, Even today, I was happy. I was happy trading. I'm not finished. I'm not finishing green, but I'm okay. I'm okay with that. Just a second. Again, if you need something about, want to ask me question, people send me mailing, ask me about the mentor and ask me about triggers, share with me swing that they are doing. It's totally fine. This is my mail. Let me read what Alex said. Scenarios they were based on targets, I think, but you let it grow most of the time, and when you let it grow, what makes you exit it? Good question you have had. When you see something, let it grow. It's depend on the charts, and it's depend on the way the stock is moving, and depend on what I see. If I see the volume increase, if I see the R volume, if I see support of the market, definitely I'm not gonna. But again, I'm not gonna leave everything out there. This is why I'm telling you. Sometimes I know what's the ATR. I know if it's stocks that are opening, I know the levels, so I can relate to this. And in some point, I'm starting to reducing. Reducing mean take profit because you have to. You don't put all bags in one basket. And my state of mind is, even if it's gonna be a correction a little bit, I can add more. Um, so it's all about how the tape is going, how the stock is doing. Like last week, what was the stocks? There was like, I can't remember. Today, definitely, it was not let it go. Today it was the scenario of leave me alone. Okay, because there was no support. The market was very tough, and the stocks did, and then took everything back. So good question, Alex. Guys, that's I think the main reason here. Not just giving you triggers. Ask the right question, really, and definitely we'll happy to share. So thank you, guys. See you next week.